Okay, one more time. What do you do with your slabs? Pine slabs, $25, pick up load, you load them. Or Bell loads them. Bell doesn't help much though. Maple slabs, firewood, campfire wood. And oak slabs are my firewood that I'll burn in my house. And there's more of what I do with the pine slabs. I just cut them for campfire. Any of the junk that comes off the mill goes into the fire, and I just like having a fire. A junk end off of a pine, an oak that was a little bit too long for what I needed. I'll just be campfire. Campfire wood. This is a cherry limb that fell in my woods. I had to clean out of the road. So I'll just campfire wood it.